So today we are going to be customizing my very special pencil, and yeah, we're going to be doing some little drawings on it and some very nice spray paint. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy the video.
It's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about. She gon' swear that girl, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. You wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all. I don't got them so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so sick, I can do it all, yeah. I can sell water to a fish. I can tell your girl, gon' bend it over quick. She gon' hit a flip. Tell her she can take it.
So I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm gonna go get a snack. So anyway guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And comment down below a question because we're doing a Q&A in the next video. So I guess that's it. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.